Here is a system of linear equations. We have y equals 2x plus 2 and y equals 4x. Now, if we were going to solve this linear system, we could use substitution and we could use graphing, because both of these equations are in slope-intercept form. So either way to solve it would work. Could solve by graphing or substitution. Sometimes equations in a system aren't going to be written in slope-intercept form. Then you can solve them a different way. 3x plus y equals 8, x plus y equals 6. Notice that both of these equations are written in standard form. For those of you who've forgotten, standard form is ax plus by equals c. And you can see that both of these equations are written that way. Because they're written that way, we could rewrite them in slope-intercept form, use substitution, and solve them. But in this case, it's easier to use a method called elimination. Let's look at how to use elimination to solve this system of equations. First, you have to look at which letter you want to eliminate, which variable. In this case, if you look at them, if we subtracted one equation from the other, we could easily eliminate the y's. Let's do that and see if we can eliminate y. Doesn't make sense to try to eliminate x right away because the values aren't the same. We have a 3x and a 1x. But when you have a 1y and a 1y, as in this case, right here, you can eliminate them. We're going to subtract. We subtract the bottom values from the top. 6 from 8 leaves us with 2. Positive y, take away a y, no y. 3x minus 1x gives us 2x. Now we can solve for 2. Divide both sides. We solve for x. Divide both sides by 2. We get x is equal to 1. Now we can substitute the 1 back into this first equation and solve for y. We substitute the 1 plus y equals 8. 3 plus y equals 8. Now we subtract 3 from both sides, and we have y equals 5. So we believe that the solution for this system is 1, 5. We can check our work. We check our work by substituting 1 and 5, 1 for x, 5 for y, back into each equation. Make sure it's a true statement. 3 times 1 plus 5 equals 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is equal to 8. Works in the first one. Next we have x plus y equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 is equal to 6. This is the solution for our system of equations.